Happy Friday, people. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. Oh, let's see. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, do that. Oh, my God. There we go. Focus. All right. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Let's end the week on a positive note here. All right. Let's get this. Sorry, hold on. All right. So let's get this trade plan started. Right now, we are slightly out of value, but in range. It is Friday. We already had major news. We didn't get the reaction I thought we might get from the news. Um, so from a daily perspective, still looking for this high to get taken at 538, which is the high from September 26th. We could have a pull. Today could actually be an inside day, maybe even sweep below yesterday's low, and then sweep up, looking like a rally base rally, possibly. Or we could now be coming back to retest somewhere in here. Just 30%. It's a daily demand. That's just from a daily perspective. So that's what we're looking at the moment. From a profile perspective, rule is out of range, out of value. Could have a range and directional day, possibly. Right now we're so low to overnight low. Looks like we were. It's hard to say. Like we were in that long, but now we're all the way back at the bottom. A lot of business done down here. So this is a lot of thin structure. So we could very well open up here. I mean, find support in here somewhere, which is where we're at right now. Find support up in here, and then reverse out. Let me get rid of this because we already tested the bottom of it. So 70% of that. Then it's 4K. So we could find some support up in here somewhere. If not, then we might be coming back down here to find support. So there's that as well. So downside targets. I mean, overnight low right here. Yesterday's low. As well as it's a few levels here actually. We had did it? We had yesterday's low, the nice overnight high, all in the same area right there. Structurally, kind of see the problem with this is we broke here, we tested 50%, it failed. Now normally when that happens, we normally come to take out this low, but we still could just come and take out all the rest of this inside liquidity right here and find support and then shoot up. So normally though, I mean, this week has been weird, but normally once we test 50% of a demand zone and we don't make a new high off of it, we usually come and take out the low that started that demand zone. But I mean, this week The volume has been low, so it's been having to essentially generate liquidity. To the upside, we got overnight POC, naked POC. Oh, we got very low overnight POC, naked POC, very high, and of course, I'll say what's this? The ninth high, and then yesterday's high. We do got some supply here though that we could probably pause that, maybe find support, and then go. But should see a reaction here. If we don't blast right through it, then that's strong sign for the bulls. But this does just look like, honestly, a lot of accumulation going on, real honestly speaking. 10K. Yeah, kind of same deal here. Let's look at 100K. This definitely looks like a rally based drop, possibly 100K. Yeah, failure to close above this high. Failure to close above 482.75. Very well. At least coming to take out this low. So all right, do that. Still got some single prints and overnight single prints in there. So, uh, right now, I'm a little torn. I don't really have. I mean, right now, based off of price action, let me say that. Based off of PA, kind of leaning towards the short side. I mean, we are right here in some 4K demand, and we didn't test 50% of it yet, so we could come down here, find support, and then shoot out. It's just tough for me to believe that we close below here. I think we just sweep yesterday's low, find support, and then find support in here, honestly, and then shoot back up. Anything can happen, of course, but that right now is my bias. I think we're still going up, but I think we need to accumulate some more, take out this low. So I'm thinking overnight low gets ran and yesterday's low get ran, and we find support in here and then shoot up. But if we can get back inside a value area low, create a double bottom here, close back above here, take out this high, then I will look for some resistance here. I will look for resistance here because this is, I mean, it is all internal, but let's see us having some resistance here, and this is a double top, so you want to see this leg down close below here. You do want to kind of see that. You don't want to see like a local low or a local low get created before we at least take out this low. I mean, you want to see it more to have more strength close, but doesn't necessarily have to close. And what I'll do is we even took out this. I guess, yeah. I mean, if we go here, but realistically, kind of this low made high. So realistically, we did already test 50%. So if we do put in a double bottom here, close above 380, then I'll be looking to at least take this out and probably go even further. And at this point, it's probably the origin of the move, which is here. So we can have a pushback up to 452. Let's look at book map. Nothing really stands out except for here. Bunch of orders at 330, which is here. So yeah, Kind of what I'm looking at. It's kind of what I'm gathering right now. We're getting further out of value. So volume is starting to pick up. Now they just added some orders here. In the chat with the guys. I gotta switch to push to talk. Yo, yo. Wait to 2 minutes till it open. So yeah, either gonna come down here, test around here, which would be interesting if we get here and the overnight low overlaps the ace high. That will be interesting for sure. This low looks highly likely to get taken, and now we're sitting here clear. Why is the paint being cleared out? Is it news? I didn't see any news for 9:30. Clearing out the paint for something though. Yeah, some orange folder news at 10. About it. All right, I think it's safe to say I could. It's the new. It's always weird when price opens like right on the overnight level. Yo, it's good, monkey. Hey, what? Let me look at the overnight. 25. All right. Okay. It's that. Yeah, this low from yesterday is looking more and more likely. I'd say. Hey, we got a nice little opening range. I like this. It's interesting why that happens. Even though I have it set on a minute thing for the opening range. I mean, technically, this is a scalp. This would be a scalp at least up to here, but kind of already missed it, so let that one go past. Been long here. Now rejecting in the open. Maybe one more sweep down here. Hard support and then go, but let price tell me what it wants to do. All right, I kind of get rid of that. We tested 70% of it. So obviously this low is the low you want to see being protected. They are stepping in front of it though. Here, right here, right here. So a lot going on currently at the moment. Still have not decided. They'll be coming right back up into 384. Possibly even reject at 370. I want to see this close here. This could be a double top on the 618. Oscillators are in there down. We're gonna go. This is kind of what you want to be up. At least take this out. Could be a drop, base drop. Now let's see if this 318 holds. Still haven't broken above opening range, so break above opening range, below VWAP, down it is. Just so I don't get like lost in what's going on. And that is the retest. Yeah, I got in late, man. Down, see, down. We did not break above. We did not break above opening range high. I have to keep assuming down. Got in late. That's what it was. Once we sat in there. It could be here. Want to see that hold. And we go up. The hell are you doing, C? I don't know why I don't know why I trade so bad on stream. I just went against my whole trade plan. All right, gotta relax before I actually set up. That wasn't even a convincing close above. So that's on me. Rushing, doing anything. Well, I probably have my worst trades of the day already. Yeah, this. remember where I got long at, man. Just terrible, terrible trades. Terrible trades to start off. Should have been long here on that one. This one, no, but right here, I should have been long. Actually, would have been good if I wasn't taking long, but I should have been taking any longs. Broke out there, right? Close all the way below. Facing out. Here. Close above here. This is a trade. It closed back inside of that. Could be a drop base drop though. I don't want to see us close back above here. Don't like that. Yeah, I didn't like that tapping like right there and not getting it, and then we got 100 and some orders just sitting there, and we got news in 20 minutes. Kind of gotta eat that, and very well could still go, but this is a double bottom though. This is a double bottom. I don't see this getting respected, but low key should have front ran it just a little. 323. I was being a one tick warrior in that instance. Two terrible trades. Went against your rule 2 times. Want to see this, take this out. If not, then we fail to take this out and create a local top before then. Before we at least take this high out, then I think down we go. It's a decent volume though. It's pretty decent. So failed though. Don't want to see it create a local top here. We create a local top here. Then I think come back down. Now they just stacked 350 right here. So might take that and then run 375 because they pulled it and put it here, it looks like. And that's kind of what you want to see. It's enough volume that so I'm at 75. Could be coming up to here now. Yesterday's very low. Now let's see. Very low. It's starting to look more and more likely. That's rejection though. So you want to see slow hold for think, hey, this could be a double bottom. Yo, good morning, Nicholas. So now looks like we might get the, yeah, did it. Yo, this entire week, I don't know what's going on. I get impatient. I take a short into the setup, like a great setup. Sorry, I gotta do this real quick. All right, so yeah, value rate low is looking more and more likely. Kind of upset with myself, and I said I wasn't gonna do this today, and I did it anyway. So oh yeah, double value rate low here. Value rate from the 9th and the 10th. News in 8 minutes. Volume is still decent though. Not gonna lie, this is still decent volume. Now that's could come back into here. Bounce either here or possibly here. This is to be responsible though. There's that as well. The double bottom being created. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I wanted to get in, but get a slight pullback. Not even messing around with the one tick warriors. Wait, what? I was about to say. No, that I was about to say, man. See what happened when you're patient, see, and then you take your setup. Can't keep worrying about the outcome all the time, dog. You don't know if you're gonna be right or wrong. All you know is what your edge tells you. Create a double bottom. Now we get in as close as possible we can get to your now invalidation point. And let the and then you take, just because it was based off 618, you take your 10 and you be fine with it. Even though I do think we're gonna tap here and probably go into here. Probably take out 75, but it's probably trying to hold off until the news, I'd imagine. So we get play around here. How long does trade take? 55. This trade didn't even take a minute. And look, tap value very low. Instant rejection. News in 2 minutes. Back. Gonna walk away, man. Let's see now. News drop. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Cleared the paint. Now watch him work. Still above opening range. I think it's I'm gonna take a trade 5 minutes before and then 3 minutes after. Something like that. Objective value rate low. So now let's see the rejection of value rate low if we want to continue down to take out this low. I still think we're taking out this low, but gotta see what the market actually does. You don't now the validation point here is this low. You don't want to see it get back below 325 for me if we are gonna take one more stab up. That then I do think we're coming down here. I'll let Bolt Map tell me when it's safe to get back in. Time isn't crazy though, but it's stable. I'll take this. As long as it's not like 100, 200. Like, it's in the week where it's a little bit of excitement. They'll be coming for this too. Oh, but stick to my rules, man. 618, 10, 20 the most. That's it. Gotta stick to the rules, man. Be up right now if I was patient and didn't take these two idiotic trades. Just two not two smart trades. This trust is set up, man. Here, I mean, I probably really should have put my stop here, but testing it here, still not at 50%. So we could just be coming back to test here again, and then one more push up. To what do you call this PLC? I feel like it's a PLC that I front ran. Yeah, the eighth PLC. I assumed it was gonna get tapped, and I took it off, but it's still naked. Let's see. This could possibly be another setup. Not here. Here. 42. 39. I mean, this is a nuanced trade. This is kind of up to me. This trade. Hate these nuanced trades. That was a nuanced trade because we technically didn't close above this high, so that was kind of up to me to really trust it. We confirm here. This is technically good close. Kind of don't want to see it get below this low. Well, could have rolled it up to here, but sticking to my rules, man. Today, man, I'm not breaking any rules, dog. Rules are the rules for a reason, man. Now, do we want to reject here? 70%, 4K. This is strong buying though. Currently at the moment, above V. Now we're above VWAP, been above opening range. We'll be coming for this naked PLC now because we are back in value. And that would have been that was a banger. But my point of view, I only seen it from the 618. I didn't really see it. It was kind of sloppy on the 4K, so yeah. I'd rather just stick to my rules. In the long run, my rules is what's gonna keep me alive. If I stuck to my rules all week, I'd actually be way better off right now. And this is the type of P I like to see. Even when we were slow, volume was still around 300-400. That's what I like. That is like my ideal environment. Of course, you can have higher, but 4 to like 600, this is like the zone I like to see. Price being, I can get rid of this. Now we come for this naked PLC, most likely. Held up. I thought we was gonna come for this, but now we could be coming back up to value rate high. And what do you know? Value rate high is right at the origin of this move. Well, do have that. There, so draw that out because you should get a reaction there. Or this could be a double tap naked PLC. I'm a front run this one. It's safe to say this is gonna get hit, so it's no longer naked. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna take a break, let this run. I do think this gets tapped, and as long as we find support above here, then more than likely we're coming for value very high at least, and then we evaluate from there. What a move, man. I mean, 10K. Jesus, it was there on the 10K. It was there on the 10K. I just was beautiful. I drew it out 618, but 10K confirmed, double bottom confirmed, came back retest. Yeah, what a move. Just gotta let this run. All right, I'll be back. Okay, safe to say, very high got hit. Damn. You know what? I stuck to my rules. From how I seen it, I stuck to my rules. It was kind of hitting at that high volume like that. Oh, that would have been a beauty. Could have left a runner. I could have. It's all good. See what Price wants to do. We got to get above here, I said. Kind of want to see it push maybe one more time back up into here. And then come back for a pullback. And we do have this. It's not that much difference. Speaking. I don't want to see 200s. I don't want to see this. All right, confirm there. I cut long here, and then probably somewhere up in here, 52 to even 62. But I think starting to see with these rally-based rallies, drop-based drops, you kind of want to. You don't. I mean, sometimes you get the deep retracement, but if you do, you want to see a wick all the way back up above, and so now let's see. Do we respect this or do we violate? Because technically this is all MSI, so we can really take all of this out and continue up here to this 10K. So add a little bit of a crossover. This could just be a pullback. Oh, actually, though, I want to see confirmation. But I'm just looking for a scalp because we're well above opening range. But what? Yeah. Huh? I'm only looking for a scalp. I mean, I'll look for one at 20 actually because it's based off the 4K. So realistically, I'm supposed to. I gotta follow my rules. It's 4K. I'm really supposed to have one off at 20 and then one at 40. That's really how my rules supposed to go. So now I'm break even. If I get stopped out, whatever. But probably should have just taken it. But probably I should have taken the 10, at least one. But 4K, trying to stick to the rules of that. I actually shouldn't have been break even so fast neither, because this could just be a pullback. But we are bullish. That's where context does kind of matter. Yeah. Context here mattered more than the rules of managing that one. We are bullish, so it's better to look for a scalp. We got the reaction you wanted, that you should have gotten from a supply or demand zone. Doesn't mean it's going to full blown push down even further, which it didn't. So this could be a double top though. Uh, like it. Yeah, that's my fault. I shouldn't have took it again. Couldn't even get below this low. That's on me. Price is very, very bullish. I missed the first opportunity. Don't take it again. This we tested here. It was dead after this. Broke my rule. That's okay. Now look. high tapped. All that liquidity there. See if we get one more pullback into here. Now look. We're gonna get it before tapping this at 85. Close above here. Tunnel vision. I see us come back here. Or I could just sweep here though. Shouldn't have took this trade. It's always one trade that set me off. Shouldn't even be taking shorts right now, honestly. I don't know why my brain is just wired like that. All right, wait for a comeback test of here. Find support. And then go. Yeah. This is the trade you was looking for. I don't know why you try to take this low probability trade there. Down to 43. Stop right there. Probably not even going to get to me. I go from here. These mental lapses in trades, these are just mentally bad trades. Mental bad trades. This one just didn't manage it right. But then here, taking long, dog. Right to the top. This is a great trade. Just didn't take advantage of the bigger move. This looked like some front run where I wanted to get in at. Possibly. Love for it to come down to 43. Snatch orders up here. Find support. Yeah, that's why I messed up. This is just a mental trade by me, Nicholas. I don't know why I even took that trade. I don't know why I convinced myself to take that trade. That was just a bad trade. And this, I could have taken advantage of it uh more. Could have definitely taken advantage of this more. I mean, I follow my rules, so I'm not really mad at it, but I definitely could have taken advantage of it more than I did. Now I want to see us pull back into here, but I don't know if I'm gonna get that. Got a lot of single prints that need to be filled in from down here. So want to see at least one more bounce, value highs here. A lot is in this area, so yeah, I definitely don't want to fuck my weekend up. Uh, bounce off of value. See how we close. All right, we're moving too much. It's gonna leave without me. Wanted too much precision. Give me a slight pullback. Wide stop, man. Slight pullback, please. At least to like right here. Arms definitely dropped off. Yeah, I want to go long into it. I don't even want to wait for it to break. I mean, really should have got in here. That was my best risk to reward. Kind of for me was like best opportunity, I say. Oh, it's just could go down in size though. Up here. Volume just dropped off a cliff. We close below anywhere here, I'll get out, man. That's what I'll do. Now with volume so low, probably need to come back down. I'll just take the L there. Man, I probably just took myself out of a good trade, but I could see us pushing down one more time. And then finding support. And then going, because that is failed. So, I mean, we did get above here, so could bounce here. We confirm here. I'll get back in, stop here. Let's see us kind of going here. Honestly, I could see us taking out. Wow, but now I kind of don't want to. Just about to say I don't want to see that get broken, but I don't want to see it close. I want to see us push. Sweet, and now push. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I'm done, man. Freaking done, man. Oh, why did I? Yo, couple mental lapses, man. Just ruined what would have been a decent day. Honestly speaking, man. This mental lap. This trade, even this one kind of was a mental lap. This is a mental lap here. It's really this. Now we probably violate this, come down in here, possibly find support, maybe even back to PLC. Realistically, we could come all the way back down here, honestly. Find support. Um, what would have been a great day, volume dropped off a cliff. This low could still hold here. We could go from here, but probably take the. I'm not seeing anything clear, man. I'm done. I ruined my weekend, man. Oh, just not being patient, man. I gotta wait till Tuesday now to trade. On that note, I'm gonna call it, man. Ugh. I gotta stop this, man. I don't know what it is about me when I stream, I trade like this. But I have to stop this. It's been like this for like the last 2 weeks. I'll reevaluate over the weekend and I'll be back on Tuesday. I'm not gonna give up yet. Look, it's just telling me what it's doing. I'm actually calling out what is most likely gonna happen, and I'm still just taking trades against it. So that's my sign right there that I gotta stop. So you guys enjoy your weekend. Long weekend. I got to sit and reflect. And I'll be back Tuesday.